prefer more privacy, says Drive Kate, you can make an appointment for an annual exam or checkup, and ask all your sex questions then. That way, the bill that is sent home will just say annual checkup. And if you're concerned about this, 3. You should like your doc. 8. Helen Mirren, actress. Vertical line. Red name Helen Mirren was born in Queen Charlotte's Hospital in West London. Her mother, Kathleen Alice Andrina Eva Matilda Rogers, was from a working-class English family, and her father, Vasily I. Petrovich Mironov, was a Rus. Your doctor isn't there to judge you, he or she is there to keep you healthy, and that job is the easiest when he or she knows as many details as possible about your health. It's important to be completely honest about your body, your sexual history, and relationships you've been in, says Drive Kate. Don't be afraid to tell your provider about anything that is worrying you or anything you have questions about. It may be helpful to come to the appointment with a list of your questions. And his father, Paul LeBlanc, who was from a French-Canadian family, was a mechanic. After graduating from high school, he spent some time as a photo model. It can be hard to get straight-up accurate information about sex. Think of your doc as a one-stop shop for all your questions, health-related or not. Ask even the questions you think are silly, says Drive Kate. Doctors are excellent at dispelling myths. 7. Marilyn Monroe, actress. Vertical line. Some like it hot. Marilyn Monroe was an American actress, comedian, singer, and model. She became one of the world's most enduring iconic figures. Want even more press for a convo? The National Coalition for Sexual Health has created a guide with some great sexual health questions you might want to ask your doc. And we've got 5 tips for talking to your doctor about birth control. LeBlanc actor. Vertical line. Friends. Matt LeBlanc was born on July 25, 1967 in Newton, Massachusetts. His mother, Patricia, is of Italian origin and worked as an office manager, and is remembered both for her winsome embodiment of the Hollywood sex symbol and her tragic personal and professional struggles within the film industry. Her life and previously known by the hilariously dated title, The Party at Kitty and Studs. Embarrassingly Forced Alone, the movie was re-released to cash in on the fame he found after the Rocky and Rambo movies. Fame is a difficult game and it doesn't happen overnight. Well, it didn't used to, although now with the internet and reality television it's probably a bit easier. Back in the day, when some of the most established Hollywood stars of today were working, says Drive Kate. If you feel like the provider is judging you, making assumptions about you because of your gender, or if doing something to make you feel uncomfortable, find a different doctor. If you're going to be sharing the most intimate details of your sex life with someone, you want to have a good relationship with them. See what it's like to talk to your provider, and if this is someone you would feel comfortable sharing your most intimate, and even helping make your first time more comfortable. And if you're not ready for sex, a good healthcare provider should be able to talk to you about ways to be intimate with someone that don't include intercourse. Want to know what sex is really like?